In this decimal to hexadecimal, first we will see the example 1. 464.650 is a decimal number, base 10 is given. It should be converted into hexadecimal number, base 16, right? Base 16 we need to convert to hexadecimal. So here the whole number available, also decimal number available. First we will see the whole number 464. How to convert into hexadecimal? It is divided by 16, right? Binary means we divide by 2. For octal we divided by 8. For hexadecimal we need to divide by 16, right? So 464 while dividing 16 it goes 29 times. The balance is 0, right? Again 29 is divided by 18, it goes 1 time, the balance is 13, right? What is the 13 equivalent of the hexadecimal? It is written here. So the 10 is nothing but A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, 15 is F, right? So that 13 we can write it as a D, it is equivalent to D, because hexadecimal having number as well as the alphabet, right? After 9 it is represented by these alphabets, right? 10, 11, 12 are represented by alphabets, right? So 1, 13, 0 is written as 1D0, right? It is given here 1D0, right? Now 464 is converted into hexadecimal. Now we need to convert 0.650 into the hexadecimal. What we need to do, it is multiplied by 18. The binary system we multiplied by 2, hexadecimal multiplied by 8, the octal multiplied by 8. In hexadecimal we need to multiply by 16. So 0.65 into 16 is 10.4. Write the 10 separately. The 10 is nothing but A, right? So it is binary is equivalent is A. So remaining 0.4 is available. 0.4 into 16, that is 6.4. Write this 6 separately. 0.4 is again multiplied. So it is again 6.46. So it will go up to that. There is no limit. So we will stop with the 3 digits. We can go 4 or 5 digit also. So write in a reverse order. 1066. The 10 is nothing but A. So that A66, right? So it is the decimal. This 0.650 is A66, right? Now 462, 464 also converted into hexadecimal. 0.65 also converted into hexadecimal. It is nothing but 1D0.A66. 464 is converted into hexadecimal by dividing. This 0.65 is converted by multiplying, right? I will go to one more example converting the decimal to hexadecimal. We will go for one more example. 32,064.1982. It's a decimal number. This should be converted into hexadecimal, right? So 32,064 while dividing by 16, it is goes 2004 times. The balance is 0. Again while dividing into 60, this 2004 is divided by 16, it is goes 125 times. The balance is 4. This 125 is again divided by 16, it goes 7 times. The balance is 13. So the 13 equivalent is D, right? So write in a reverse order 7, 13, that is D. 7D40, right? 7D40 is the hexadecimal number of 32,064, right? It is divided by 16. Every time we calculated the remainder, writing the remainder in the reverse order, we got the hexadecimal. Now we need to convert 0.1982 into hexadecimal. How to convert points means it should be multiplied by 16. 0.1982 multiplied by 16 is 3.1712. Write the 3 separately. This 0.1712 is again multiplied by 16. It is 2.7392. Write these 2 separately. Multiply this 0.7392 again with the 16. It is 11.8272. Write the 11 separately. Again remainder 0.6272 is again multiplied by 16. It is 13. 13.2552. 13 is written separately. 0.2352 is again multiplied by 16. It is 4.2432. This 4 is written separately. So it goes. There is no limitation. So I will stop up to that. So the while writing in a reverse order, it is 3, 2. The 11 is nothing but B, 13 is nothing but D, and 4. So it is 3, 2, BD4. That is the hexadecimal equivalent of 0.1982. Right. So finally what we got, 7D40.32BD4. So this is the hexadecimal number for a decimal equivalent of this number. Right. So we discussed two example in decimal to hexadecimal. So in this video we discuss about decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, how to convert this, right? Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.